Welcome to this video about optimization techniques. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the role of optimization in successful digital advertising campaigns. You will also be able to explain different optimization techniques you can use. Launching a digital advertising campaign is just the first step. The real work begins with optimization, continuous improvements to maximize ad performance, reduce wasted spending, and increase return on investment or ROI. Why is optimization important? Every campaign generates performance data, which helps marketers identify what's working and what's not. Optimization ensures that ad spend is allocated effectively by focusing investment toward the best performing campaigns, ensuring a higher return on ad spend or ROAS. Poor performing ads are removed or revised by adjusting ad copy, visuals, or targeting settings. High-performing ads are scaled to maximize conversions with budget increases that can enhance their reach and effectiveness. Campaigns remain competitive through continuous adjustments to help keep campaigns relevant and high-performing. Optimization involves several aspects of a campaign, from audience targeting to device settings and search term refinements. Let's break down the most effective optimization techniques. Keywords are the foundation of search-based advertising. Optimizing them ensures ads appear for the most relevant searches. Keywords can be optimized in several ways. You can use negative keywords by excluding irrelevant keywords to prevent ads from being triggered by searches unrelated to the product or service. You can refine keyword match types to ensure only highly relevant traffic. Adjusting match types based on performance can help advertisers refine their reach. You can also expand with long-tail keywords. Instead of generic terms like running shoes, using detailed phrases like best marathon running shoes for beginners helps attract users with clear purchase intent. Imagine a travel agency running ads for vacation packages notices that cheap vacation deals generate many clicks, but few bookings. By adding cheap as a negative keyword, they reduce wasted ad spend and attract higher quality traffic. Location-based targeting helps businesses optimize ad performance by focusing on areas where potential customers are most likely to convert. It includes targeting high-performing regions by analyzing performance data, ensuring high ROI, excluding underperforming locations to prevent wasted ad spend. Geo-specific messaging should be used to make the ad more relevant, such as best Italian restaurant in New York rather than just best Italian restaurant. For example, a car dealership running Google Ads in the US finds that customers in California have a higher purchase rate than those in Florida. By adjusting their bids accordingly, they improve the campaign ROI. Fine-tuning audience targeting ensures that ads are shown to the most relevant users. You can use custom audiences by targeting people who have previously interacted with the brand. You can refine demographic targeting by adjusting factors like age, gender, and income. You can also leverage lookalike audiences by finding users similar to existing customers. This helps increase brand exposure while maintaining high-quality targeting. For example, a B2B SaaS company finds that mid-level IT professionals engage more with its ads than senior executives. Therefore, it adjusts its targeting to prioritize IT managers and increase conversion rates. Ads perform differently on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Optimizing campaigns based on device type can improve results. You can adjust bids by device. If mobile traffic has a lower conversion rate, adjusting bids downwards ensures better ad spend allocation. Optimize landing pages for mobile if a campaign targets mobile users, ensuring a fast, mobile-friendly experience is critical to prevent drop-offs. Analyze click behavior. Segmenting performance data based on device type can help refine ad placements. For example, a fashion retailer finds that 70% of purchases come from mobile users, but the desktop version of its ad has a higher CPC. Adjusting bids to prioritize mobile traffic improves ad efficiency. Search term optimization involves refining campaigns based on user queries in several ways. You can analyze search query reports to spot new opportunities and remove irrelevant searches. You can refine broad match terms to improve efficiency. You can also enhance ad relevance for high-performing search terms to improve engagement rates. For example, a law firm running ads for divorce lawyers discovers that users searching for cheap divorce lawyers rarely convert. They focus their budget on higher-value leads by excluding cheap as a search term. Optimizing ad delivery based on when users are most active helps increase efficiency and maximize ROI. Schedule ads during peak hours for higher bid allocations during those periods. Pause ads during low conversion periods and minimize wasted impressions. Adjust bids by time of day to improve overall campaign effectiveness. Imagine a meal delivery service that sees higher conversion rates during lunchtime and evening hours. By increasing bids between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., they maximize sales and reduce budget waste outside peak times. In this video, you'll learn that optimization of a campaign is vital because it ensures that ad spend is allocated effectively. Poor-performing ads are revised or removed. High-performing ads are scaled to maximize conversions. And campaigns remain competitive. Optimization techniques include keyword optimization to ensure ads appear for the most relevant searches, geography optimization to help businesses focus on areas where customers are most likely to convert, audience optimization to ensure that ads are shown to the most relevant users, device optimization, wherein campaigns are based on device type to improve results, search term optimization to refine campaigns based on actual user queries, and day and time optimization based on when users are most active to maximize ROI.